Welcome to my project ideas. This is an ongoing series on SAP UI5 projects. And in this video, we'll learn how to integrate QR code scanning in SAP UI5. Certainly, you will need a QR code that you want to scan. You need IDE access. You can use SAP Web IDE. You can use SAP Business Application Studio. And the last thing is you need to have basic knowledge of SAP UI5. So the steps to integrate QR code scan is very simple. You need to create a simple SAP UI5 project. Then you need to add a scanning functionality in the code, and that you need to just run the application, scan your code, and get data. This data you can use either to send to the backend and do perform some audit operations, right? So we'll jump to the article first. So this article is created for you, and you can find the article in the description of the video. In this article, we have discussed the theoretical part and also some prerequisite related to the scanning. The prerequisite of QR code scanning in SAP UI5 by mobile phones is that you need to have SAP mobile start application in your phone. So the links for Android app and the iOS app is shared within the article. So you can find this article in the description of the video. Also, we have mentioned all the steps that we are going to discuss in this video. So fine, we'll jump to the code now. Yeah, so we have created a simple basic application. It's a new application. You can create any different type of UI5 application. And in that we have a view and a controller. In the view, we have a simple page with a title of scan QR code and a button to initiate the scanning operation. And then we have a label for material and input for material number that will get after scanning. So it's just an example. You can have different things. You can have pricing also that you can scan, right? So after you click scan, we need to have a namespace called barcode scanner. The same scanner that we use for barcode is also used for QR code scanning. And this barcode scanner scans and returns a result in form of text. And that text is a value that it fetches from the QR code. And then we are just showing it in the output screen. But you can perform later operations also. Also, in case your code is not working, the scanning is not working, and you are using SAP Web IDE, then you need to go to extension here in settings and search for kit and enable hybrid app toolkit. This will enable the operations of hybrid mobile applications in the browser. Fine. So when we run the project, this is the output screen that you see, and on click of scan, you can see me. Hi, and we have a mobile phone of Redmi, and we have a QR code also here. So we'll just try to scan the QR code. Perfect. We got a QR code. The format is also returned, and also we got the result. Now this result is also added in the input box here, and you can use this result to perform later operations. I hope you like this video, and so thank you very much.